Hello friends, I am Ritesh Sonone and in this lecture I am going to explain about NFA to DFA by using conversion method 1. In NFA to DFA conversion, I am going to explain about also state table minimization. The example of NFA to DFA: convert NFA M is equal to PQRS. Input symbols are 0 and 1. Del transition table. P is the initial state of the machine and S is the final state of the machine. The states are PQRS. We have to convert this NFA to DFA by using conversion method first. In this table, the P on 0 symbol, there are two output states, that is P and Q. Means there is no unique transition. We call it as the NFA. The P on 0 symbol, it goes to P symbol and Q symbol also. The more than one possible transition on the same input symbol. We convert this NFA to DFA. Solution: for given NFA, first we describe in tuple format, that is the states Q is equal to PQRS, sigma is the input symbol, it is given thing 0 and 1, initial state of the machine Q0 is P and the final state is S. We can denote the resultant DFA as M dash is equal to, the new states are the Q dash, input symbol is a sigma dash, the del dash is a transition function, the Q0 is the initial state of the machine and F dash is the set of the final states. If we convert NFA to DFA, first we have to find out the power set of the Q. Now 2 raised to Q is equal to PQRS. The next state is a PQ, PR, PS, QR, QS, RS, PQR, PQS, PRS, QRS and PQRS. These are the new states for resulting DFA. After that, we have to find out the set of the final states. Here, the given NFA contains the final state is S. As we have to consider all the states containing S as a member, as all final states for resultant DFA, because S is the final state for given NFA. Therefore, set of the final states for DFA is F dash is equal to S, PS, QS, RS, PQS, PRS, QRS and PQRS. For the states PQRS, del dash can be directly obtained from the given state table. Now the del dash P on 0, it goes to PQ, del dash P on 1 symbol, it goes to P symbol, del dash Q on 0 symbol, it goes to R, del dash Q on 1 symbol, it goes to R, and so on. We find out the del dash function for all 15 states, that is say 2 raised to Q. The whole state table del dash for resultant DFA is shown in a table along with the normal state symbol, and the new state labels are also given in the bracket. Star indicates the final states. For example, the P on 0 symbol, it goes to PQ, and the new label of the P is 1, and the new label of PQ is 5. P on 1 symbol, it goes to itself, that is P. Same as it is, we have to find out the del dash function and construct this del dash function table. Relabeling is for, it is easy to solve the example. Now in this example we can minimize the state table. There are some rules of minimization. What is state equivalence? When two states Si and Sj excited by the same input sequences yield identical output sequences, then these two states are said to be equivalent. In our example, the Rs and S states both on input 0 go to state S and on one input go to state S. Therefore, these two states are equivalent. Similarly, the states PRS and PS, QRS and QS, PQRS and PQS are equivalent states. There are some rules for replacement. The rules are, first rule is, we can replace one non-final state by its equivalent non-final states only. Rule number 2, we can replace one final state by its equivalent final state only. Rule number 3, we cannot replace initial state by any other state. Rule number 4, we cannot replace one final state by other non-final states or one non-final state by other final states. Rule number 5, suppose say if we can replace state A by state B, means deleting the entries related to A, that is transition from A, and from the table wherever we find the symbol A, replace that by symbol B. See, in our example, there is a replacement Rs by S. If you see the Rs on 0 symbol, it will goes to S. On 1 symbol, it will goes to S. And on S symbol, S states, S on 0 symbol, it will goes to S, and S on 1 symbol, it will goes to S symbols, and both are the final state. We can replace Rs by S. Same as the state equivalence, PRS by PS. The PRS on 0 symbol, it goes to PQS. PRS on one input symbol, it goes to PS. The PS on 0 symbol, it goes to PQS, and PS on one symbol, it goes to PS. Both are the final states. Same as we can replace QRS by QS and PQRS by PQS. If we are replacing Rs by S, we delete the entries of Rs, and wherever we find the symbol Rs, we can replace by S symbol. There is a relabeling of Rs state is a 10 and S by 4. Same as the PRS by PS, we deleting the entries of PRS, and wherever we find the symbol of PRS, we can replace by PS. Same as QRS by QS, wherever we find the symbol of QRS, we replace by QS, and deleting the entries of QRS. In PQRS by PQS, we deleting the entries of PQRS, and wherever we find the symbol PQRS, we replace by PQS. After replacement, and now using only new labels, the transition table for resultant DFA will look like as in the table. The star represents the final states and black circle indicates the modified entries due to replacement. In table, again we can observe that the state 4 and state 9 are equivalent and both are final state. Also states 7 and 12 are equivalent and both are final state type. State 9 on 0 symbol, it goes to 4. State 9 on 1 symbol, it goes to 4. In a 4 state on 0 symbol, it goes to 4, and 1 symbol, it goes to 4. Same as a state 12, it goes to 0 symbol 12, and on 1 input symbol it goes to 7, and 7 state 0 symbol goes to 12, and on 1 symbol goes to 7. The states are equivalent and both are final state. We get the minimized table after replacing. This table shows after replacing 9 by 4 and 12 by 7. No further minimization are possible in this table. Therefore, now we can draw transition graph from the state table. By using transition table, we can draw the transition diagram. As figure shows, it is a disconnected graph with part 1 of the graph containing one initial as well as one final state. But part 2 contains only final state and no initial state. As we know, machine working always starts from initial state, and we can directly exclude the part 2. Therefore, part 1 of the graph is the final answer. We can relabel state with the symbol A to E, and the final DFA can be drawn. After excluding part 2, this is the final DFA containing the states are A, B, C, D, E are the new labels. Here is the A is the initial state and E is the final state of DFA. We observe that this diagram having the unique input symbol on the transition, that is inputs are 1 and 0. There is only one transition. We call it as the deterministic finite automata. The resultant DFA we can denote as M is equal to, the Q is the set of the states, that is states are A, B, C, D, E. The next tuple is the input symbol. The inputs are 0 and 1, and del is a transition table. By using this transition diagram, we can draw the transition table. Is shown in a table, and E is the set of the final states. Next video we will discuss about the conversion method 2, NFA to DFA.